Good afternoon, viewers. It's a rainy afternoon, and what I've done is I've pulled together uh, all of the CDs and DVDs that I've collected over the last 2 weeks or so, and I'm going to be going through them. So I'm going to start off with Cat Stevens. As I mentioned in one of the previous videos, I picked up Teaser and the Firecat 1991 pressing, and so what I did was that pressing was very much bare bones in terms of linear notes and the booklet. I think the booklet itself was just one or a folded page with the cover on. So it was practically the CD, just the CD itself. So I came across this. It was on special at Take a Lot. They had it in stock, and I picked it up. So yeah, this is the 50th anniversary Teaser and the Firecat, and this little hype sticker. So yeah, the reason why I picked this up because I'd heard that or I've read about the 50th anniversary edition having extensive booklet and was in a digi pack or digi book form. When I got this, I was taken aback by it because let me just try and get the light on it. That's basically a booklet itself. That's what CDs have been reduced to, is a cardboard booklet. So no plastic case. I was expecting an actual digibook, and this is what I got. Nevertheless, I'm happy with the booklet on the inside. This one is just the CD. It's not the double disc deluxe edition. So from what I understand, from what I understand, the double disc deluxe edition has a few more pages in. So as is normal with these cardboard slipcase booklets, is that the CD was put in the cardboard just like that. And as you know, that when they do that, the discs get scuffed up and scratched up. So what I did was I put it in a little inner sleeve. It just irritates me when they do that, because I mean, your CDs get scuffed up. Let's have a look at the booklet on the inside. So you can see the cover, it's been updated. Nice bright vibrant colors. Teaser and the Firecat. And page 1. So you have the beautiful artwork, which was illustrated by Cat Stevens himself, and then you have the lyrics. So there's an animation for Moon Shadow, and these illustrations comes from that animation that Cat Stevens did. So there's teaser. It's a 5-minute clip. You should really check it out on YouTube. Beautiful artwork. So the 1991 CD pressing didn't have this artwork, and neither, from what I understand, did the 2000 pressing. So I don't know how it took 50 years for the artwork to be incorporated into this album. There we go. I'm not sure if you're getting this. Excuse the dark room. It's very cloudy and rainy. There's not much natural light. And this is basically the reason for me picking up this. Well, I expected the digibook to be a bit bigger and have more pages. It was only afterwards that I found out that the single disc CD had less illustrations than the deluxe edition. And only afterwards that I found out that this booklet was so small, or this pack was so small. How it sounds compressed. That I was expecting that. I didn't buy it for the disc or for the CD, as I already had Teaser and the Firecat, the 91 pressing, which is uncompressed. So this sounds compressed, meaning it sounds very loud, but on the bright side in terms of treble. But one thing that I can say is it's very clear, and there was some detail that I picked up from this that I didn't pick up on the previous disc, in that the vocals and instrumentation is right up front, very clear, very in your face. Yeah, so that is Tease and the Firecat. Then just a few days ago I got T for the Tillerman. 1991 pressing. This is also very bare bones. It's just basically a 4-page booklet with some lyrics in, but it's much more than you got with Teaser and the Firecat 1991 pressing. So I've been listening the entire weekend to T for the Tillerman. Yeah. I'm going to stop the video there, and we're going to get into some DVDs in the next video. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.